Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. While I do my usual prepping, today's video is gonna be about acrylic nails and gagawin ko siya on my right hand. But before that, if you're interested on the nail design on my left hand, go check out the link I put on the card above and watch that video where I made Squid Game inspired ball gel nails. So this is a requested design by Circeline May Crabajales. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. But I'm sure siya yung first ever winner ng aking first giveaway on this channel. Sinuggest niya na gumawa ako ng V French tip nails and nag-iisip ako ng colors na gagamitin ko kasi usually for French tip, white partnered with pink yung colors niya. But for this one, I decided to use color yellow with white tips. And para ma-challenge ako, I will be using acrylic. Yes, this is gonna be such a challenge because I'm not just using acrylic, but I'm using my non-dominant hand kaya kabado konti. For this set, gagamit ako ng nail tips, so let's select our sizes. And if hindi siya sakto sa nails, you can always file it down para ma-adjust yung size. This is too long for me, so iti-trim down natin siya. And then, i-shape natin yung tips into our desired shape. Since gusto ko yung pagiging square shape niya, I won't do much filing. Pero ifa-file ko lang yung dulo para smooth siya and walang rough edges. Ifa-file ko rin using a nail drill yung surface ng tips for better adhesion ng acrylic. And then, after filing, mag-apply tayo ng nail dehydrator and primer. Gagamitin natin yung JL Essentials acrylic set natin and yung yellow acrylic na minix ko for the nails. Starting first on my pointer finger, ilalagay ko muna yung acrylic bead more on the nail bed area kasi gagawa tayo ng French tip, so di natin kailangan ng color yellow acrylic sa bandang tip. While the acrylic sets, ifa-form ko na yung pa-V-shape sa dulo para di tayo mahirapan mag-file mamaya. Like I mentioned on my previous acrylic video, I think using a Kolinsky brush would be better, so I'm looking forward to use one for my future acrylic nails for smoother application. Pinatayo ko muna yung sa may pointer finger para ma-file ko na siya to have a guide sa ibang nails. Gagamit ako ng hand file para ma-crispin up yung edges ng V French tip and also file the surface in shape. After matapos i-file yung V shape, i-apply na natin yung white acrylic for the tip. While that one dries, maglalagay ako ng full yellow acrylic on the thumb and on the pinky nail. For the middle nail, gagawa rin ako ng V French tip starting with a bead of yellow acrylic. Final ko muna ng maayos yung sa una kong ginawa on my pointer finger para makita ko hanggang saan yung V-shape na ginawa ko para same siya ng height sa ibang nails na gagawin ko rin ng V French tip. So, I made a mistake and na-realize ko lang siya nung late na. Nalagyan ko agad yung middle nail ng white acrylic nang hindi pa fina-file yung yellow acrylic para crisp sana yung V-shape niya. I was thinking kung ulitin ko ba siya but I just let it slide hoping nakita pa rin yung V-shape sa nail na to. After matapos lagyan lahat ng acrylic yung nails, ipa-file na natin siya. And gagawan ko yung ibang nails ng design using yellow gel polish. And let's top it all off with gel top coat. And lastly, apply cuticle oil. So here's the final look. I kinda like it kahit medyo pale yung sa middle nail. Pero di naman ganun halata. Kita pa rin naman yung V French tip. And ang refreshing sa mata ng color yellow. It looked way better than I expected. Di ako masyado nag-expect kasi acrylic siya. And I'm using my non-dominant hand. But I'm surprised with how it turned out. I still gotta work on my cuticles. And I'm seeing good improvements sa aking shaping. So I'm excited to make more nails with acrylic. Once again, thank you for the one who suggested this design. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @happyfingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.